Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open WhatsApp on laptop and PC. So if you want to use WhatsApp on your laptop or PC, it's really easy and simple. I will show you how to do this. So first of all, just open your Google Chrome application on your PC, and then in the search bar, you have to type this WhatsApp web. You can see this. So after typing this, just tap on the enter. You will see this interface will open for you. You will see this QR code here, and you can see to use WhatsApp on your computer. So we have to go on our mobile. After opening the WhatsApp, just tap on these three dots and click on settings. You will see this QR code icon. Just tap on it, tap on scan code, and now you will see this scanner. You have to scan this code, and you can see that my WhatsApp is logging in now, and that's it. That's all you have to do. After this, you can see that my WhatsApp is logged into my laptop and I can use it on my laptop. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.